Hello, hello. Welcome to Autonomous Class 3, Cycle 6. All right, ladies. So I'm going to explain very briefly what are we going to do. This is the agenda. Number 1, we're going to pray. Then we're going to read the objective. Then we're going to practice some vocabulary that are going to help you with the reading a book of today. Then we're going to have a speaking. I'm going to explain you some words and I'm going to explain you what does your speaking needs to include. You're going to record yourself and then you're going to put it in a Padlet. And finally, as an optional activity, you can record yourself reading. So today is recording day. So if you want, we can click in that link and then we can pray. Then we're going to read aloud this objective. Students will be able to read yourself describing a picture and read a story aloud considering punctuation and fluency. This is the vocabulary that we're going to use in the reading. We have laundry. Okay, laundry. Laundry is when you have a lot of clothes to wash. Then we have summit. Summit. Summit is when you arrive to something that you have already when you climb a mountain and you get to the peak, that's the summit. Then we have sidewalk. Sidewalk. This is a sidewalk where all people walk. Hall. This is a very long hall. Usually in houses we have a lot of halls where then we can go through different rooms. Giant. Giant. That person is a giant because it can cross the river with one step. Now it's reading time, so let's go to the link and remember to put the code in order to have your registration and if you read it or not. I hope you can enjoy it. After you finish reading, we're going to look at these adjectives. So we have some of them. I know that some of them you already know, but it's good to practice and remember them. Clean. Clean is the opposite of dirty. Those pigs, one is clean and the other one is dirty. Happy. Happy is the opposite of sad. Disorganized. Disorganized, it's the opposite of organized. Those tables are completely different. There is one table very organized with everything in its place, and there is another table full of things like a mess, like a garbage, papers, pens around, notebooks out of their places. It's very disorganized. And finally, we have tired. This woman is very tired. Maybe she was doing exercise. Mop. Mop is the action of mopping. My mom is mopping the house. But before mopping the house, my mom is brooming the house. Now, the children are cleaning the plates. Or the children are washing the dishes. Bucket. I can use a bucket to collect rocks. I can use a bucket to put sand in the beach. and hammer. My dad is using a hammer to fix something. Now it's time for your presentation. Remember to include present continuous, 4 adjectives, good body posture, and good voice level. We already practiced during the class of today, so please be aware of what we practiced in groups and do it in here better. Let's practice with this picture. What do you see in the picture? We have a lot of robots. Or is it the same robot? What are the robots doing? What are the people doing? Where are they? What do you see? How is the day? It's time to record your presentation. So, go to Padlet, that is the link, and then you can find your name. I'm gonna show you the Padlet. In the Padlet, you're gonna see your name. Find your name, click under where it says plus, and then go to the 3 dots next to the camera. And in there it says grabadora de video. So you can record yourself. Of course, if you don't like this and you want to see the screen and you want to see you like I'm doing it now, you can use screencast. We already use it, so if you want to use it, it's okay. We're just giving you easy possibilities and more possibilities to record, okay? Now, when you finish recording yourself, you are gonna have an optional activity. Optional activity means if you have time, okay? Some of you are very fast, some of you are not very fast, so it is okay if you do it or if you do not do it. Of course, I would like to see them, but I know that maybe some of you will not have time. But at least, mandatory, you have to record the presentation. This is optional. What are the optional activities? We have 3 steps. The first one is that we're gonna watch this video. This video has 4 minutes, and they're gonna explain you how to read a story, how to make pauses, how to intonate better. When we have an exclamation mark, how do we say it? Or if we have a period, how many seconds we have to wait? Or if we have a comma, what to do. I hope you enjoy it. Once you watch the video, you are going to read aloud the book. What book? This book. So you're going to open again the book and you're going to record yourself reading the book. And that's the optional activity. Now, as a reflection, I would like to know if you like listening to stories or if you prefer reading them. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.